As we shared in the main technique video, analytic teams help students develop active listening and critical analysis skills. Here's how you can implement analytic teams in your online course. Choose a reading assignment, lecture, or video topic that requires analysis. Assign teams of 4 to 5 students to breakout rooms or discussion forums. Assign each team member to an analysis role, such as proponent, critic, example giver, summarizer, or question preparer. See the main technique video for our free downloads for explanations of each role. Inform students that they will respond to the assignment according to their designated role. Conclude by having groups write a team analysis that they share in a whole class discussion. To vary this technique, consider assigning different analysis roles to whole teams instead of individuals, or giving each team a separate reading or video assignment to analyze related to the same issue. This technique is particularly useful for helping students understand the different activities that constitute critical analysis. At the Patricia Academy, we encourage you to try analytic teams in your online class. Download our free support materials for step-by-step instructions and additional guidance.